everyone, welcome back. For today's Workshop Wednesday, we're going to be using two colors from the Day of the Dead collection, and check out these new jars. I just love the holographic logo and the cap, and then on the bottom of each jar has the name. And the first color here that we're going to use from the collection is called Death is the Gate of Life, and it is a fun bright yellow, and it has black foils in there. And this dip powder glows, and the glow on these dips are unreal. I'll show you a picture on the end. And then the next color that we're going to be using is called Land of the Dead, and it is a fun thermal. So it is more of like a darker gray thermal, and then it changes into a clear, and it has beautiful colored foils in here as well. So I think these two colors together are super fun, so I wanted to try these two right away. There's 6 colors total in the collection, so I will be trying more manis with those colors as well, so stay tuned for that. We are going to be doing the gel method for today's mani, and we're going to be doing the mani on my left hand, and I have short almond full coverage tips on there. So I'll link everything in the description box below that we're using today. And we're also going to be using the Cuticle Precision tool. And I really like this tool. It looks really intimidating when you first look at it. You're like, ooh, is that going to be sharp when you're cleaning your cuticle line? But it's not. It's actually one of the nicest precision tools that I have used. I've used a couple other ones where you start cleaning the cuticle line and it hurts. Like, it's so sharp on the end. But this precision tool that you're going to see here in action in a few moments does not have a sharp point to it, and it's really user friendly. So if you haven't tried the precision tool yet, definitely add that to your wish list so you know to add it to your next order. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit. All right, now we're going to go ahead and place some individual black foils on the nails for the color that we use for the Land of the Dead. So I'm going to go ahead and place base coat all over my thumbnail. I'm only going to show you the placement of my thumbnail, but I am going to go ahead and put foils on the rest of the nails as well, where we use the color Land of the Dead. So after we place the base coat on the nail, I'm going to go ahead and take that precision tool, and I'm going to go ahead and dip the end of the precision tool into my gel base coat, and then I'm going to go in and get some of the foils individually out of the cupcake liner. Now, if you can't get any of the gel base just from your thumb, you can go ahead and take the end of the precision tool and just like dot it on your gel brush, and that will help you get some of the gel product on your precision tool as well. So you don't need to add any of the foils if you don't want to. I just was going for a more bolder look when it came to the foils in this dip powder. I think it's so fun. There's just something about the black foils in bright colors that are perfect for the Halloween season, and I'm loving it. I actually really enjoy the black foils so much. This might be my new favorite color right now for Halloween, just because I think it's so fun with the bright color in the black. So once you're done putting all the foils where you want them, you just want to press down gently just to make sure that they're all flat down on the nail, and then you're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds. Now we're going to go ahead and finish up this mani, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I'm going in with my top coat. Now, if you ever have problems with your mani after a day or two of any flaking or peeling of your top coat, then you want to make sure that you're going in doing an extra step. You would want to go ahead and do your base coat first, cure that, and then go ahead and finish with your top coat. That will help any peeling or flaking that you may have or experience. I don't have any problems with that when I just go in directly with my top coat when I'm using the Sundara gels. But if you are experiencing that, everyone's nails are different and everyone's chemistry is different when it comes to the oils on their nails, then definitely go ahead and do that step. There's nothing wrong with doing the base coat first and then going in with your top coat. Really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun and vibrant, and it's still on the spooky side with the black foils. It's perfect for the Halloween season, and I think that the Day of the Dead collection is super unique. I haven't seen anything like that out there, and I think it's a really fun theme. So definitely go over to Sundara Nails and check out all the new Halloween releases that were released over the weekend. You can go ahead and pre-order this dip collection. You can either get the powders individually, or you can go ahead and get the whole collection, and there's 3 different dip collections as well, so check those out. I'll go ahead and link everything in the description box below. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and I also am doing a live this Saturday at 1:30, so check the Facebook group for more details on that. I'll link it below. And I hope you have a great rest of your week, and I'll see you in my next Workshop Wednesday video. Bye!